Dear colleagues, Namaste. We are at the end of third week and I am here to take the review of what we have learned in this third week. The learning outcomes of this session are the learners will be able to recall all the key concepts that were discussed in week 3 on learning management system. They will be able to use the discussion topic given in the discussion forum for learning, and they will be able to prepare and submit the assignment as per the rubrics given. In week 3, we have focused on Genomio Moodle as learning management system. In module 3.1, we had the introduction of what is learning management system. We have seen in module 3.2 how to create the Genomio Moodle course. Then in module 3.3, how to enroll the users. 3.4, how to add the resources to Genomio Moodle LMS. Then module 3.5 was on adding quizzes. 3.6 on how to create the restriction access and course completion progress bar. Module 3.7 was on awarding badges. 3.8 on awarding certificates. 3.9 we have seen how we can prepare various games in Genomio Moodle, and 3.10 we have gone towards Google Forms, Sheets and Slides, and how we can use Google Forms for creating quizzes and giving the certificates. And the last module was on Google Classroom. So let's have a quick recap of what we have seen in each and every module. So 3.1, Introduction to Learning Management System. We have seen that learning management system is a total package where you can do the announcement, have the structured contents, assignments, documentation and course completion. So we have seen all these features which can be used in Genomio Moodle. We have seen that Genomio Moodle is a free open source LMS available for us, which we can use for creating our courses and enrolling the students into it. We felt the utility of Genomio Moodle as LMS. Therefore, we have covered Genomio Moodle in further modules. Now, module 3.2 was on how to create our own course. So it was a very simple step where you can have your own site and use this Genomio Moodle site without any cost involved in it. In module 3.3, we have seen how we can enroll the various users. So you can see here by going into the site administration, you can add a new user, and once the users are added, we can manually enroll them or they can do the self-enrollment. Module 3.4, we have seen how the various resources like PowerPoint slides, PDF, videos, URL can be added. So for this, we have seen that if you go into a gear icon and set the turn editing on, you will find that at the down part, you will find add an activity or resource, which you can click, and then you can add so many resources which are available, like that of book, file, folder, label, page, URL, etc. In module 3.5, we have seen how we can add various types of quizzes. So if you add a resource, here it is the quiz which can be added. And when you click on quiz, you can add various types of quizzes, including multiple choice, true or false, matching, short answer, numerical, calculated multiple choice, drag and drop, etc. Sometimes we require that students should complete the first module, and then only they can access the second module. In such cases, we need to restrict their access, and that facility is available in Genomio Moodle, and that we have seen in module 3.6, how to restrict the access. So you have managed the restrictions, you have seen how to add a block, then you have also seen how to add the completion progress bar and course completion status. So 3.6, we have seen how to restrict the access, how to add a block of completion progress and course completion status. Then we have moved to 3.7 module, which was on awarding the badges. And we have seen how we can add a new badge and do the badges settings so that the badges can be awarded to the students as motivation to them for learning. Not only that, we have also seen how we can add the simple certificate by using certain settings so that the students can also be motivated by awarding them the certificates after completion of the course. Now, in module 3.9, we have seen that various games can be added into Genomio Moodle, and we have seen that the games like crossword, cryptex, hangman, hidden picture, millionaire, snakes and ladders, sudoku can be added into Genomio Moodle, and we can gamify the learning and make its use effectively in achieving the learning outcomes from the students. Dear colleagues, it was not possible for us to cover each and every feature in Genomio Moodle. We have not covered assignments, we have not covered attendance, we have not covered big blue button. There are so many other features which have not been covered because of the time constraint. We are planning to have a separate course on Genomio Moodle and its features. Now, few of the participants may not be interested in Genomio Moodle, and therefore in this week only we have covered Google Classroom as LMS. But before that, in module 3.10, we have seen how the Google Forms, Sheets and Slides can be used. More specifically, how the Google Forms can be used to conduct the quizzes and how we can issue the certificates using the add-ons like Certify. Then in module 3.11, we have seen how we can use Google Classroom effectively for conducting the classes online. You can see how you can upload various topics, material into your class, how you can enroll the students and teachers, how the grades can be displayed. So all this was covered in Google Classroom. After completion of quick recap of all the modules, now let us see what is the graded assignment for this week. We have given you two options. Option 1 is preparing a Genomio Moodle site of your own course, and second option is preparing a Google Classroom of your course. Any one of it you are going to submit as assignment. So let us see. Option A, what is the rubrics? We are going to assess your submission based on these 6 criteria. The first criterion is presence of an accessible Genomio Moodle site link, added course and topics. Sometimes whatever URL you are submitting is not accessible, then everything becomes zero. So kindly ensure that whatever URL you are pasting, it should be accessible and there should be some courses and topics added into it. Now you can see this is the site of pedagogians.genomio.com. So if you see here, it has come the full address. Just copy this and paste into the submission so that we will be able to log in by using whatever the password and username you have submitted along with this site address. Now the second criteria is self-enrollment enabled and dummy student added. So you should enable self-enrollment and add the dummy student. Whether the learning resource is available or not, that will be another criterion. Whether you have added any quiz, any one quiz can do, but it should be added. And then you have to create a simple certificate or badge, any one of it, and it should be awarded to the students. And you have to create either the course completion bar or course completion status. If both are there, it's okay. If one, it's also okay. So these will be the 6 points on which we will be checking your assignment. Now if you go for option B, yes, you can even do Google Classroom. So here are once again the 6 criteria. One is invitation sent, how you can send the invitation to this fdp.gpg. Send, you will get the mark. Presence of topic into material is there or not is second criteria. Students are added in the class, that is the third criteria. The course material has been added to various topics, that is the fourth criterion. And whether you have given some assignment with due date, this is the fifth criteria, assignment with due date. And the last one is presence of quiz assignment. Here the Google form quiz needs to be given. Okay, so there is the difference between presence of assignment, because this assignment is itself in the Google Classroom, and this is the assignment which you are giving with the help of Google form. That you should understand. So all these 6 points are there, you will get out mark. I think both the graded assignment tasks have been very clear to you now. So all the best for doing these assignments. Dear colleagues, the discussion topic for this week is, apart from Moodle, there are other open source LMS present. Explore anyone and give your comments. So if you are using some another LMS, you should click on add a new discussion topic, write your discussion, and you have to send the reply to at least 2 of the participants so that the interaction amongst the participant can take place. So after submission of your assignment, we hope that you will actively participate in the discussion forum so that your week 3 will be complete. So dear colleagues, thank you, happy learning, and I wish you all the best for further learning. Thank you.